morning everyone, it's Rachel here. I hope you're all well. This is just a quick little video to announce that I will be having a beginning of the year sale. I don't know if I'll do it again next year. I might change my time, I don't know. Yeah, so it's just going to be a quick sale. It's going to go from the 1st of January until the night, midnight, the 2nd of January, the end of the 2nd of January, just 2-day sale. Remember the time difference. So if you're in the States, we are to the east coast of the States, we are 6 hours ahead. So then you can work that out. And in Australia, we're 10 hours behind. New Zealand will be a bit further behind. Perth will be a bit less behind. So you've got to work all of that out, because you might think, oh, it's still the 2nd here. But in Italy, we're 6 hours ahead. So if you're in the States, it's already finished. But it means it starts earlier. If that, I don't know, or after. No, earlier or after. I can't think. Anyway, we are 6 hours ahead of the east coast of the United States. The same in Europe. 1 hour difference, I think, with the UK. And we are 10 hours behind Sydney and a few hours less behind the west coast of Australia. So you guys work it out. The 1st and the 2nd of January will be a sale. I haven't decided my discount yet, but I'll work that out. You will see it as of, this video is going up on the 31st, so you'll see it as of 12:01, the sale will start. So have a wonderful new year, and I look forward to some fun crafting in the new year, and let's get cracking. See you soon. Bye.